Hello everyone, myself Reshma. I am dealing EVS to PP2. Here is a one girl from PP2. Introduce yourself.
My name is Sai Chandana. I am studying in UKG in Vivekananda High School. I came from Munpelli.
Now she is saying some good habits. Okay, Sai Chandana. What is this?
Break off early in the morning. Pray to God. Wear clean clothes.
Okay, good.
Do exercise every day. Sit and stand erect. Eat healthy food.
Very good, Sai Chandana.
Go to school on time. Do our homework every day. Go to bed early at night.
Chandana, now you say some cleanliness activities. What is this?
Brush our teeth twice a day. Have a bath every day. Comb our hair neatly.
Very good, Sai Chandana.
Cut and cleanse our nails. Cover our nose when we are sneeze.
Very good.
Wash our hands before and after eating. Throw the rubbish in a dustbin. Keep our books neat and tidy.
Very good, Sai Chandana. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.